On board for Karin. Shout out. Shout out sa may-ari. Oh, wait lang, baka magtirahan agad kayo.
Hey Nate, how's life? I don't know, it's alright. I've been dealing with some things like every human being and really didn't sleep much last night. I'm sorry, that's fine. I just think I need a little me time. I just think I need a little free time. Little break from the shows and the bus rides. Yeah, last year I had a breakdown. Thoughts telling me I'm lost, getting too loud. Had to see a therapist and I found out something funny's going on up in my house. Yeah, started thinking maybe I should move out. You know, pack my car, take a new route. Clean up my yard, get the noose out. Hang up my heart, let it air out. I've been searching, what does that mean, Nate? I've been learning, grabbing my keepsakes, leaving my burdens. Well, I brought a few with me, I'm not perfect. Looking at the view like this concerns me. Picking up the cues right, I'm quite nervous. Hate it when I lose sight, life gets blurry and things might hurt me. It's probably gonna be a long journey, but hey, it's worth it though. Cold world out there, kids, grab your coats. Been a minute, I know, now I'm back to Rome. Looking for the antidote to crack the code. Pretty vivid, I admit it, I'm in classic mode. Don't need pity given to me, but I can't condone. Talking down to me, I'ma have to crack your nose for cracking jokes. I'm looking for the map to hope, you see that? Been making a whole lot of changes. Wrote a song about that, you should play it. I get scared when I walk on these stages. I look at the crowd and see so many faces. Yeah, that's when I start to get anxious. That's when my thoughts can be dangerous. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred. Forget what I'm saying and...
Apat na lang daw, apat. Apat na lang daw, kuya.
Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it upon my stomach. Throw it back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD trying to push my buttons. I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it. I can be critical, never typical. Intricate with every syllable, I'm a criminal. Intimate but never political, pretty visual. Even if you hate it, I make you feel like you're in it though. You call me what you want, but never call me forgettable. Leave you deep in thought, I can never swim in the kiddie pool. Waited, I've been thinking the cinematic is beautiful. Man, I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. Yeah, the sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater, but it always survives. And it comes up out of nowhere like an evil surprise. Then it hovers over you to tell you millions of lies. You don't relate to that? Must not be as crazy as I am. The point I'm making is the mind is a powerful place, and what you feed it can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me, this'll only take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your faith. I've been developing, take a look at the benefits. Nothing to meddle with, I can never be delicate. My irrelevant, that depends how you measure it. Take a measurement to back it up and give me the evidence. Pretty evident, dependable, can never be tentative. I'm a gentleman, depending on if I think you're genuine. Pretty elegant, but not afraid to tell you to get it. With proper etiquette, I keep it to myself when I celebrate. It's that time again. Better grab your balloons and invite your friends. Seatbelts back on, yeah, strap them in. Look at me, everybody, I'm smiling big. On a road right now that I can't predict. Tell me tone that down, but I can't resist. Y'all know that sound, better raise your fist. The search begins, I'm back, so enjoy the trip, huh?
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they block in your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? never gonna make it? Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
Okay lang kayo?
I just wanna thank you, man. This beat is dope. Hey, since day one. Hey. Wala silang alam sa aming ginagawa. Wala sila nung pumroseso kami sa baba. Nandyan sila nung meron na kaming napapala. Napansin nilang biglang umani ang mga buwang. Pagmasda ng mundong tatsulok sa gitna ng iyong mga mata. May bulong ang mundo sa iyo, sabi niya. Ika'y kumawala. Nandyan ang realidad sa iyong isip. Walang mawawala kung susubukan mo sumilip. Sa iyong ginagawa walang makakapigil. Ipagpatuloy mo lang mamahagi ng pag-ibig. I'm done. Now, let me introduce you my brother, true mother. Speak up, man. Speak up.
Yeah, I live the life, my friend, for we will begin. Babylon can never stand if I and I is one. So I prefer you better get up. Learn to elevate, and you should never give up. Give love and pass it to your enemy. You will see if you really want to be free. Then let it freeze for a minute, cool down right now. Get down, shout loud, aim high till you can touch the clouds. Bless my enemy, bless my enemies. Wish they're living free, I'm hoping that they're finna be whatever they wanna be. See me like I'm a seed, one day you see me like a tree. And if you're feeling me, I wanna see your hands up right now. I never wanna see you go down. Hear me if you wanna reach out, I'll be there to reach now. So won't you come maybe and sing along?
Hey, raise the loot, give me the loot. To the most high in this world I salute. Listen up, as I move up. Listen up, all my words in this boom up. Raise the loot, give me the loot. To the most high in this world I salute. Listen up, as I move up. Listen up, all my words in this boom up.
Binabago kong mabago para sa'kin ang lahat, sapagkat yun ang nais ng lahat. Naging wais ng kawangis, di man labis ang angat. Sapat tapat bagamat at nilalabat ay binubuo ng isip. Ginagawa naman ay tila panaginip. Di naging sakim-saking paligid. Meron man o walang nakatitig.
Parang dati lang ay walang bilang, walang kwenta. Kalat sa eksena, tas siksikan pa na parang natirikan ka sa EDSA. Buti na lang sanay to sa gera. Nabubuhay di dahil sa pera. Ngunit di naman ako nawawala ng temang mabenta sa mga nakikinig na tenga. Ang dami nang nag-aabang at bawal na tumenga. Sa dami parang piyesta sa baryo, sa kanto. Ang ingay ng pangalan at kilala na nila ako. Pati mga nagdududa nun sa tinaya ko. Buti chinaga ko sa sarili ko na ako. Dumating pa nga sa puntong sagad ako pati pato. Kilala mo na ako, malamang subok na rin. Nais ko lang naman buhay ko ay tuklasin. Noon ay mag-isa na nagtatago sa dilim. Ngayon ang daming katabi, kumikinang parang bituin.
Raise the loot, give me the loot. To the most high in this world I salute. Listen up, as I move up. Listen up, all my words in this book.
for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world. I'm smiling when I turn. I stack it in my mind when I'm waiting for the time. I'll show you what it's like to be worse fit in a mind. Tell you your grace, but once the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself.
Look, okay, I'm hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody hope for me. I'm staying when nobody close to me. Propose to me, being a random promotion. Ready to go whenever you let me know. The road is long, so with the pedals and flow. The interview, my drill, my energy on the page. I'ma tell them I still wake, okay. When I'm on my drive to the top, I'm out of shape, taking out a box, I'm an astronaut. I blasted off the planet, rock that caused catastrophe, and it matters more because I had it, not had. I thought about wreaking havoc on an opposition, kinda shocking. They want a static with precision. I'm automatic, quarterback, I ain't talking second, pack it up, on panic, batter up, who the baddest? It don't matter because we ain't just.
Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. I swear I'll never be a my enemy. I swear I'll never be a look out for yourself.
Kuya! 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 Kaya na! Kaya na! Okay, sabihin mo kay Leonard, I want to. Kaya mo, oh.
Hey Nate, how's life? I don't know. It's alright. I've been dealing with some things like every human being and really didn't sleep much last night. I'm sorry. That's fine. I just think I need a little me time. I just think I need a little free time. A little break from the shows and the bus rides. Yeah. Last year I had a breakdown. Thoughts telling me I'm lost, getting too loud. I had to see a therapist and I found out something's going on. That's when I put on my makeup and drown in self-hatred, forget what I'm saying and where the beat go?
Oh, ain't that something? Drums came in, you ain't see that coming. Hands on my head, can't tell me nothing. Got a taste of the fame, it upon my stomach. Throw it back up like I don't want it. Wipe my face, clean up my vomit. OCD tryna push my buttons, I said don't touch it. Now y'all done it.